In this video we will demonstrate how you can use Vizlib Qlik Sense extensions in reports created with Mail and Deploy. Mail and Deploy supports Vizlib charts, such as heat maps, line charts, etc. Special support is provided for the Vizlib Finance Report and the Vizlib Pivot Table. We will start by creating a new Microsoft Word report. Vizlib extensions are also supported in HTML, Excel, PowerPoint, and PDF reports. First, we add a new template to the report and set up its page layout. Now we will add some filters to our report. Next, we will use the data source browser, which displays all fields, variables, sheets, and objects in data sources connected to Mail and Deploy. Locate the Vizlib chart we want to add to our report, create a new chart element, and drag and drop it into the template. As with all chart elements in Mail and Deploy, you can set the quality to increase the DPI of the exported image. Let's create a preview of our report. As you can see, the increased DPI lead to a high-quality image even at higher zoom levels. Now let's use the data source browser to locate the Vizlib Finance Report object we want to add to our report, and click New Table Element. As with all table elements in Mail and Deploy, you can set many properties to define how the table will look in the final report. We will merge all top dimensions and only export a table containing the first dimension. Then we drag and drop the table element into our template and create a new preview. By default, Mail and Deploy will export the table using the styles and formats of the original Qlik Sense object. Now we'll use the data source browser again to locate a Vizlib pivot table, which we will also add as a table element. We'll choose the Indent Rows option and create another preview. As with all table elements, by default the style of the original object in Qlik View or Qlik Sense is used. But you can define custom styles or even create global styles to be applied to many different tables. When customizing styles, you can set each style property, such as font, text size, etc. individually. You can specify constant values or even calculate the value of a style property based on an expression. Start the best Qlik View and Qlik Sense reporting experience today. Go to www.mailanddeploy.com to get more information or schedule a free demo.